Most traders use the default MACD settings. But what if I told you there's a secret approach? An approach used by a trading veteran with over 2 decades of experience, Adam Grimes. In this video, we will take a look at how you can use this special version of the MACD indicator too. We will take a look at how you can change the settings in a step-by-step manner and how this MACD is different from the normal MACD indicator. Let's not waste any time here, let's jump right into it. Step number 1 is to open up a chart, whether you are using TradingView or another trading platform. After that, you go up to the left upper corner and press Indicators. In the Indicators tab, you want to search for MACD, and you are actually going to open up the normal MACD indicator or moving average convergence divergence. Now, as you can see, we have a normal MACD indicator popping up on the chart. And now to the very important part. In order to get the unique MACD indicator, we want to go up to the Settings tab right here and press OK. And pay really close attention now. You want to change the fast length, which is the period of the moving average, to 3. The slow length, which is the period of the longer moving average, you want to change to 10. The signal smoothing, or in other words, the signal line, which is the average of the MACD line, we want to change to 16. Adam Grimes does not use the EMA, so we want to change this to an SMA, which stands for Simple Moving Average. This is one of the key differences between the normal MACD and the MACD Adam Grimes uses. The signal line, we also want to change to a simple moving average, so press SMA. One important feature about Adam Grimes' MACD indicator is that he doesn't use the histograms. So in order to delete the histograms on the chart, we want to press here and we want to turn the opacity down to 0 and then press white. Do the same thing here where it says fall, the opacity all the way down to 0, press white. Same thing, of course, applies with the other MACD histogram. You go here, opacity 0, press white, fall, opacity down to 0 once again, and press white. Now go over to the Style tab. This one is optional, but in order to know that this is a different kind of MACD, I like to change the colors of the lines, and you can do that by clicking here. Let's change the MACD line to, for example, purple, and let's change the signal line to, for example, blue. Now we're done with the settings and we're ready to talk about what is the main difference here between this MACD and the normal MACD. And let's actually also pop up a normal MACD indicator so we can compare how the MACD looks like. The most apparent difference between these two indicators is that they use different periods to calculate the MACD indicator. And one consequence of this is that the new MACD indicator would react faster to price movements than the old MACD indicator. As you can see, with our new settings, we get a much faster reaction after this price increase right here compared to the previous MACD. These new MACD settings can be more suitable for traders who prefer quicker responses to price changes and simpler interpretations. Another big difference, as you can see, is that the new MACD indicator uses no histograms. The histograms are basically the mountains and valleys here on the normal MACD indicator. This can make the indicator more clear and easier to read, and it's very similar to why I use only the histograms when I use the normal MACD, to make the MACD more visually appealing and clearer. And now you may of course wonder, which of these MACDs should I actually use? Well, as we talked about, the new MACD indicator reacts faster. So if you are a trader that prefers quick responses to price changes, this MACD setting is for you. But if you want to trade the quickness for perhaps a bit more reliable signals, then the normal MACD can still be the best choice for you. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you got some value from this one. If you did, you might want to consider dropping a like. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming trading education videos, then don't hesitate to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now guys, when you have learned this special MACD setting, it's critical to also understand the regular MACD indicator. So now guys, I highly recommend you all to watch this video about the MACD indicator next. I talk about some common mistakes that tons of traders do, and I also talk how to use the MACD the right way.